This video will demonstrate water filter cartridge replacement for your FlowMax Waterfall bathroom faucet. The tools you'll need include a 2.5mm hex wrench, needle nose pliers, and of course safety glasses. Before you begin, make sure that the valves connecting your faucet to the water supply are closed. You may then turn the faucet on and then off to release any additional pressure which may remain in the system. Locate the rubber plug on the back of the faucet lever base. Remove the rubber plug and set it aside to gain access to the set screw. With your 2.5mm hex wrench, loosen the set screw in order to release the lever handle base from the faucet. Pull the lever handle free of the faucet and set it aside to gain access to the retaining ring trim piece. Unscrew the retaining ring trim and set it aside. Unscrew the flat-sided cartridge retaining ring with an adjustable wrench and set it aside. The cartridge is now free of the faucet and can be removed. Wipe any dirt, debris, or mineral buildup from the cartridge reservoir before installing the replacement cartridge. Line up the pilot studs on the bottom of the new cartridge with the indentations on the inside of the faucet base and install the new cartridge. If the cartridge pilot studs are not aligned correctly, this will restrict water flow. Replace the cartridge retaining ring to secure the cartridge to the faucet using your adjustable wrench. Replace the trim ring by screwing it back onto the faucet base. Replace the lever base and tighten the set screw with a 2.5mm hex wrench. Replace the rubber plug on the lever base. Finally, you can turn your water supply back on and check your faucet's water flow to complete the cartridge replacement procedure.